profitable, ice cream or Italian ice?
Which is more profitable, ice cream or Italian ice? Definitely Italian ice. The ingredients are sugar, water, and flavor.
However, you can have all the profit you want in Italian ice, but if you're selling it in an area where people don't know what Italian ice is, you're going out of business. So it's very profitable. It's 2 cents for a serving of Italian ice that you're going to sell for $2. Very profitable. But if I sold it in my store, people are going to walk in and think I'm on the moon. What the heck is Italian ices? And no, they want ice cream. So it's profitable, but you got to know your market. And just like I told you before, if you want to sell Italian ice, set up your ice cream market. The whole world likes ice cream. They like good ice cream, and they'll pay for it. So then have your organic, then have your all natural, then have your Italian ices. You know, but really establish a base to make some money. You know, I want to see everybody succeed like I did. Today, right while I'm here in Brooksville, they're doing my 3rd expansion in my store. I've been open 2 years, and now we're going, we started with just a takeout, and then I went to a 25-seat eat-in place, and now when I get back tonight, I'll have a 60-seat in-house eating ice cream cafe. It's very simple business. I wish I was your age and going into this business right now. Right out of college, if I could turn back the clock, I would do this. Profit, fun, enjoyment, and people come in for ice cream. I mean, they're in a great mood. It's a great business. Just keep it simple, very simple. Make a great quality product, put a fair price on it, and treat people like family. You can't fail.